The Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, with a view to meet its objective of ease of doing business in India, has simplified process for incorporation of companies under the Companies Act 2013. In furtherance of its commitment, the Central Registration Centre (CRC) was established by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs for providing speedy incorporation-related services in line with global best practices. The main purpose of CRC was to process applications for name reservation and incorporation of a company within 1 day. Apart from this, zero fee is charged for incorporation of companies with authorized capital up to Rs 15 lakhs as part of PM's initiative of ease of doing business. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has brought in advanced integrated web form Spice Plus, simplified proforma for incorporating company electronically plus, which facilitates the user's ease in company incorporation. According to the Amendment in Companies Incorporation Rules 2014, under Section 9, an application for reservation of name shall be made through the web service available at www.mca.gov.in by using web service Spice Plus, and for change of name by using web service Run, reserve unique name. Spice Plus is an integrated web form offering 10 services by 3 central government ministries and departments: Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Labour, and Department of Revenue under the Ministry of Finance, and 2 state governments, Maharashtra and Karnataka, thereby saving procedures, time and cost for starting a business in India. Spice Plus has user-friendly dashboard on the front office and other linked forms as applicable, and allows the user on-screen filing and real-time data validation. Spice Plus is in 2 parts. Part A for name reservation for new companies, and Part B offering a bouquet of services, that is, incorporation, DIN allotment, issue of PAN, TAN, EPFO and ESIC registration, opening of bank account for the company, and allotment of GSTIN. A user can either choose to submit Part A for reserving a name first and thereafter submit Part B for incorporation and other services, or submit Part A and B together for incorporating a new company and availing the bouquet of services. Approved name and related incorporation details submitted in Part A are automatically pre-filled in all linked forms. Declaration by all subscribers and first directors in INC 9 auto-generated in PDF format. All check form and pre-scrutiny validations except DSC validation to happen on the web form itself. Once the form is filled completely, Spice Plus is converted into PDF format with the click of a button for affixing DSCs. All digitally signed applications can be uploaded along with the linked forms as per the existing process. Changes or modifications to Spice Plus even after generating PDF and affixing DSCs can be done by editing the same web form application, generating the updated PDF for affixing DSCs and uploading the same. An application for registration of a company shall be filed in Spice Plus along with the applicable fees. Spice Plus web form is a post-login service, and existing registered applicants need to log in into their account using their login credentials. New applicants are required to create a login account first before using the service. Steps to upload Spice Plus form on MCA portal. Log into MCA portal, click on MCA services, Spice Plus. Click on New Application in case of fresh application needs to be submitted. On click of Existing application, user can view application numbers along with proposed or approved name. Spice Plus Part A. On click of New application, Spice Plus Part A gets enabled, which contains fields relating to name reservation. User fills the details of type, class, category, subcategory and proposed name of the company and click on Auto Check button. Auto Check performs first level automatic scrutiny of the proposed name against the name rules. Once Part A is complete, user can click on Submit for name reservation or Proceed for incorporation or Cancel. If opted for Proceed for incorporation, Part B of the web form gets enabled, which will have different sections. Spice Plus Part B. Each section of Part B contains a Save and Continue button. Check form validations will happen on each of the sections. Enter the basic details related to the company to be incorporated. That is, registered or correspondence address, subscribers and directors details, details related to capital, etc. Enter basic details for issuance of permanent account number PAN and tax deduction account number TAN. Upload mandatory attachments in web form. Confirm relevant declarations and click on Pre-Scrutiny. Once pre-scrutiny is successful, click on Submit button. Once web form is submitted successfully, user will get a confirmation message. User can then download Spice Plus Part B PDF from the dashboard for affixing DSCs. Also, all the relevant linked forms gets enabled and available for the user to fill and submit based on the fields or parameters entered by the user in Part B. Agile Pro web form layout. Agile Pro needs to be filed as linked eForm with Spice Plus for registration with GSTN, ESIC, EPFO, professional tax registration number, bank account number. EMOA/EAOA web form layout. Electronic Memorandum of Association (EMOA), which is a charter of the company, can be filed as a linked form to Spice Plus. Electronic Articles of Association (EAOA), providing all regulations related to internal affairs of the company, can be filed as a linked form to Spice Plus. URC1 web form layout or INC9 PDF generation. In case of Part 1 companies, it is mandatory to file URC1 form containing details of existing entity. Based on the details of subscribers and directors entered in Part B, INC declaration form shall be auto-populated and available in dashboard for the user to download and affix DSCs. Spice Plus upload. After affixing DSCs in Spice Plus Part B PDF and all other linked forms, user needs to click on Upload Form option. Upload Spice Plus Part B PDF and all the relevant linked forms. On successful upload of forms, unique service request number SRN gets generated and displayed to the applicant. System prompts user to make payment. On successful payment, work item or SRN gets routed to back office user for processing. Aspects to be taken care of. If applicant has opted to file Part A and Part B together at one go, only one name can be proposed. If applicant has opted to file Part A separately, two names can be proposed, out of which one name would be approved. The approved name is valid for a period of 20 days. 5 attempts are available for editing same web form. After that, whole process to be restarted. Declaration by all subscribers and first directors in INC shall be auto-generated in PDF format and would have to be submitted only in electronic form in all cases, except where total number of subscribers and or directors is greater than 20 and or any such subscribers and or directors have neither DIN nor PAN. Registration for EPFO, ESIC and professional tax for states of Maharashtra and Karnataka is mandatory for all new companies incorporated through Spice Plus. All new companies incorporated through Spice Plus mandatorily are required to apply for opening the company's bank account through the Agile Pro linked web form. For opening of bank account, applicant has to select only the bank name. Branch will be allocated by bank itself. Applicant can open new bank account after incorporation. All check form and pre-scrutiny validations except DSC validation will happen on the web form itself. All documents are to be self-attested by the applicant. All documents annexed should be clear and legible. Registration for profession tax mandatory through Spice Plus only in respect of new companies incorporated in the state of Maharashtra and Karnataka. Subscribers' photo not required in Spice Plus forms. Resubmissions for Spice Plus forms permitted for 2 times. The maximum upload size of Spice Plus forms is 6 MB for each of the PDF form. In case of technical problems, that is, form upload, pre-scrutiny errors, DSC related, payment related queries, ticket can be raised at www.mca.gov.in/myservices. If ticket is not resolved after 48 hours, contact Corporate Seva Kendra at 0120 4832500. In case of resubmission or rejection remarks, contact 0120 4832500 and select option 1 for CRC. For escalation, mail can be sent to crc.escalation@mca.gov.in. For name reservation, fees of Rs 1000 is payable for each name separately. A consolidated challan is generated at the time of filing Spice Plus INC 32, which shall contain applicable fee towards 1. Form fee, 2. MOA, 3. AOA, 4. PAN, 5. TAN. Companies getting incorporated through Spice Plus with an authorized capital up to Rs 15 lakhs would continue to enjoy zero filing fee concession. Stamp duty payable as applicable in the state in which company is proposed to be registered has to be paid. While filling the form, one can save the Spice Plus form periodically and retrieve any time later to complete the same. Hence, the process can be done in piecemeal. Linked forms to be filed along with Spice Plus. It is mandatory to use EMOA and EAOA in case the number of subscribers are up to 7 and in the following scenarios. Individual subscribers are Indian nationals, individual subscribers who are foreign nationals in case they have valid DIN and DSC and also submit a proof of a valid business visa, non-individual subscribers based in India. Physical copies of MOA, AOA is required to be signed and attached in case non-individual first subscribers are based outside India or individual foreign subscribers do not possess a valid business visa or any other scenario. Stakeholders are required to file EMOA and EAOA, that is, by way of linked filing in all cases except the following. Section 8 company selected in Field 1A or all or any of the non-individual first subscribers are based outside India, or Part 1 Section 8 company selected in Field 1A or number of subscribers entered in the Field 8A, that is, total number of first subscribers, non-individual plus individual, are more than 7. In case of the above-mentioned exceptions, MOA and AOA shall always be attached under the attachments section of Spice Plus Form INC 32. Apart from these, there are specific scenarios in which PDF attachments of MOA, AOA should be used instead of EMOA, EAOA with Spice Plus INC 32, and linked forms are to be filed with Spice Plus INC 32. Due to this government process engineering, incorporation of new companies has been made possible in less than a day, provided all documents are completed, charging minimal fees. The Spice Plus initiative is a landmark initiative of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs in promoting ease of doing business and building a self-reliant and resilient nation.